YouTube. So today I'm just gonna be installing this wig. It's blue, but it looks purple. It was a 613. I dyed it. I watercolored it with what's that called? Indigo blue. This is it now. I just put it on here and like brushed all the hair back because it is a reinstall because it was a 613 and I wear it like that. I just hope the lace isn't like too blue because it is blue and I could not get it out, but we're gonna work with it anyway. So what we have so far for a setup, I'm always gonna need the hot comb, the wig cap. Anyway, so we got that, got this just in case, brush. We got the Got2b, the bold hold, you know, just regular brush, the wig band, some makeup, that shit, this, and we got a fan, because the blow dryer don't do it for me, okay? It's too hot. Okay, so as you can see, I just got out the shower not too long ago, let my hair dry. I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair real quick, and then we can start, period. All right, so this is just how I put my braids up. I don't know how anybody else puts their braids up, but this is just how I put my braids up. But anyway, so basically what I just do is I just braid 2 braids all the way to the back, and then I just tie them to the front, and you know, it still gets flat. It's not too bulky or anything. It's like just perfect. Alright, so now here, all I'm going to do is just put the wig cap on, cut out my ears. Alright, so after you're done cutting out your ears, you just want to spray some Got2b spray to get that wig cap to stay down and don't move. It keeps it stuck in its place while you have the wig over it and everything. I really want to show you off. Now you do have to wait for that to dry before you cut the cap or anything. You do have to make sure that it's dry. Once that is dry, you see that I did let you know that it is dry. Once that is dry, you just want to pull it back, form a hairline, because you know that spray does go down further. You don't want your wig on your forehead, basically. You want it like by your hairline. So I'm just pulling it back to my hairline. Once I get it in space, I am going to cut it, and then I'm also going to cut the excess off, which I will show you starting now. Alright, so you do want to take an eyebrow cutter or, you know, face razor or whatever you call them. You do want to cut that excess cap off. Be careful, do not cut your forehead. You're just cutting the extra cap that you cannot cut with scissors. So what you're going to want to do right here, you're just going to want to take whatever makeup matches you. You're just going to want to blend that in, make it closer to your skin tone. Make it look like it's really yours. Make it look like you're really bald, or at least close to being really bald, because it is a bald cap. You know, you want to look like you don't have no hair under there. So that's just what I'm doing right here. Just try to blend it in the best you can. I know my makeup really don't match me, but it's close enough. So right here, I'm just going to take some alcohol, clean off all the oils and extra makeup on my face. Now, I did say that I did end up dyeing the lace too, so that's just what I'm showing you. It's not bad, but you know, you can still tell. So I'm just going to put some makeup over that too, which you should already automatically do that when, you know, you have a regular wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and run some makeup into that. So all I'm doing right here is setting the wig where I want it on my head. This lace is big as hell. Look, even when I pull it, it's still some sticking. Like, damn. But it's not a big wig, like in the back, like it's touching the back of my head. But why is it so huge? Rejuvenate your engine with Shell V5 Metro Plus premium gasoline. Start down, you acting like me, like we was more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry on my spilled milk. Need a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I walk with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hit me when you know? Alright, so right here, all you want to do is take the wig glue and put it across your hairline. You do want to spread it out into a thin layer. I did this process like 3 times. Kind of just depends on how long you want to wear it. And that's all you really do with the glue. Make sure you do spread it out into a thin layer though. Now you do want to wait until it is clear. As you can see, it is clear. The glue is clear. You do not see glue. Now I just pull this down, place it where I want it. You do not have to be in a rush doing this. If you are in a rush, you might fuck up. You just might fuck up. That's just that. So you do want to take the rat tail comb or a comb and just push the hair into the glue. Now this is where we start the melt process. This is where you put the wig band on for like 15 to 20 minutes. A lot of people tie theirs in the back. That shit literally squeezes my brain. I do not like that. I literally get an instant headache doing that. So that's why I did not do that. I'm just trying to create my part now. I am plucking a little bit. Mind you, I do not know how to pluck, but I am still trying because I know, something looked off. So that's just what I'm doing right here, creating my part, looking, getting ready to style it. When you are on that first melt, it is good to go ahead and start the process of styling that, which you are going to watch me do that right now. Now, if you do not have a hot comb, I do recommend you going ahead and getting a hot comb. That is the most thing you will need with a wig install. So after that first melt, you're just going to go ahead and start getting your edges prepared. I was thinking about doing a middle edge, but I ended up not doing a middle edge. I was not feeling it. It just wasn't my cup of tea at all.
Now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell them what you know, what you say, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even though you claim that I was cool, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't.
Alright, so right here, you're just going to go ahead and start cutting your edges so you can work on getting those laid.
You only did one pass and you used it. You used it. Amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid.
Alright, so you do not have to curl your edges. A lot of people do. This is like my second time doing it. I do not like it. Maybe it's because I'm using a curling iron instead of a straightener. But anyways, what I use for my edges is the Got To Be Glue styling gel. That shit does not, like, edges will not move at all. I swear to God. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab the wig band again, and I'm going to start the second melt, which I'm just going to finish up styling that. I hate when my edges don't look the same.
Indeed you do.
Like they cousins, they not sisters, they're cousins.
That's your job description. Visit Indeed.com.
That's bound to piss me off. It's alright. You know what? I'll fix it in a minute.
To the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck, look around. Found one to see my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, late, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy. Rainy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so only time.
So I know some people do like add makeup to their lace. I don't like to, because once the lace glue and the makeup start to mix, it starts to look nasty as fuck. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take some concealer. They do always say take some concealer that's lighter than you. I was gonna use some other one, but use that. I'm gonna mix it. But I just went ahead and mixed it. So I'm just gonna dab it in here. A small. I hope y'all can see. Y'all see that? Do I want to put this on my lace? Like right here. Okay. Period. Why am I doing that? Anyway, so yeah. I do know some people do that. I don't like to do that. I have my reasons. Once you get sweating, your makeup gets a yeah. Anyway, so that's the reason. But yeah, I'm actually glad I did that. Maybe I should start doing it on my parts a lot more, because it did make my part look more visible. Maybe I should do it over here too. See, now I'm just doing shit. I told y'all, beginner, I just like to try shit.
I'm still finding my makeup. Make it what I like to do. That is definitely my hair and my hairline. I mean, my part. Okay, cool. Now for this one, I try to plug. Cause you know what's crazy? Me and somebody else put this wig. And it still look like this. That's sick. I mean, we both need to learn how to plug. Take just a little bit more.
Okay. I can't find my comb, my rat tail comb, so that's why I'm using this big bulky ass brush. But I guess she gonna do the job. She gonna get the job done. She gonna take care of it. So this is basically the end. I know that my phone did delete a couple clips, but we gonna try to make some work with that. This is it. I mean, it's cute. Yeah, like I said, the lace is a little bit blue. I won't be wearing this too long anyway. I was gonna put a middle edge, but honestly, I wasn't feeling a middle edge with this. So middle edge wasn't gonna do it for me. I was gonna do something I didn't like for some I'm gonna wear for like what, 2 days probably. But this is her. She's cute. I do see like where some spots are a little bit lighter than the other spots. I did this by myself. It was my first time. Yeah. But like right here, I don't know if you can tell, but that shit is pretty. I wish the whole thing was this color. But like, it does give a little bit purple. Let me see if I can find the last bottle of the hair dye I used. All right, so this originally was a 613 wig. I did a watercolor. If you don't remember in the beginning, I did do a watercolor. So, you know, just fill the sink up with hot ass water. And I put this in it. I used this. I literally probably let it sit in there for like 10 minutes. I rinsed it with cold water. And it was good. I think that's where I messed up at. I let it sit in there instead of just like dipping. But I was scared that it wasn't gonna stay. I think that's where I kind of got my lace dyed at. Anyway, but yeah, she's cute. You know, she could use a little bit more plucking. Like I said, I am a beginner. I am just now starting this. I've probably been doing this for like 3 months now. So if you got something to say, baby, I snap back. Okay. If anything, I'd rather y'all leave me like tips and stuff, because I am learning, like I said. Anyways, this is basically the end of the video. I'm going to insert a couple little videos and clips at the very end. I hope y'all like this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see on this channel.